What's up everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I'll be showing you how you can actually fix your laptop's problem. Most of the laptops that comes with a touchscreen laptop comes with this beadings. There's a rubber frame or a rubber strip, or you can call a middle frame, and that actually keeps breaking. These actually weathers out after using for a very long period of time. And today I'll be showing you how you can fix this, and I will also give you a solution how you can fix not only one laptop but multiple laptops. I just got one solution with this, and I bought for 250 rupees a small. I paid around 250 rupees. Yes, it's actually a weather sealant. They usually use this for aluminum doors and frames, so it is available in any of the hardware shops. All you have to do is buy something like this, and you'll also have to buy a gun that will actually hold this, and you can press it, and you'll have to put this over the edges of the laptop, and also make sure that it is evenly spread. You can see how I'm actually doing it, and if you actually miss it, you can reapply again and not to worry about it at all. And once you're done with that, just lift it up and then take a piece of plastic or a credit card that you have at home, and then try to scrape it just over the edges so that you don't have to cut everything after once it is done, just to get the shape of the laptop itself, just to get the shape of the edges. I'm doing this multiple number of times. I've done it already. I'm giving you the best solution because I've done it already 10 times maybe, and this is the best solution I've got. And that is how you have to rub against the edges of your laptop. So this is the next day. And you can see how it looks. It gets quite hard enough, but it's still rubbery, and these things that is leaking out of the frame, you just have to cut them later on. You can see how much of thick layering that it is, actually looks like the previous rubber version. But this is not the best solution I can say, but this is the only available solution right as of now, because most of the laptop does not come with the strips that are available aftermarket. So this is the only solution that I can think of. So take a blade, something like this, and wherever you see extra, just scrape it off. Okay, so make sure that the laptop does not get scratches. The sharp end of this blade should see, I made a mistake. The sharp end of this blade should not be touching the laptop. See this? No scratches on the laptop. Okay, now the main part is here. This, see this? See how easily it is coming off. And the only thing that you have to make sure is keeping the blades of the laptop away from the panel of the laptop. You just have to be just few millimeters away from the laptop and just cut the rubber. You can see how easily I'm cutting. There is no scratches on the panel at all. So once you're done side, and then try the main display in the same way. You just have to keep it completely perpendicular to the laptop's this thing, and then start cutting it. You can see how easily it has come. So that is how smooth it looks once you actually give a final touch up with the blade, and that's how new it looks. How it was earlier looking and then how it is looking now, you can see the difference, and the laptop looks completely new as of now. I hope this video was useful for you. This video is completely for the people who have these laptops with the rubber frame or rubber strips in your laptop, and that actually wears off over a period of time. And I've given you a very simple solution, very cost effective solution. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Please subscribe. The slowest channel on earth that is growing right now is my channel. If you want me to make such contents, and if you have any other problem with the laptops or phones that you want me to do jugaad, let me know in the comments down below. I will definitely make a video on that. There should be at least 3 likes as of now for that particular problem that you're facing, and let me know, and I will give you the solution permanently. See you in the next video. Bye, and don't forget to subscribe.